Please excuse me, this is my very first keyboard unboxing, but I wanted to do one. So, here we go. We're going to unbox the velocifire wireless mechanical keyboard. So this is the packaging, so you can see. The packaging, as you can see, it's just your standard box, and when you open it up, there is the manual, how to use, and the keyboard. Comes with that, and that's it. I'll be back in a second. I'm not even recording. So, it has brown, what is it? Brown and red switches. The color is white. Backlight is white. I'm assuming it's not white because it's charging. This is wireless. It does come with the wireless piece. And there you go. The unboxing of velocifire. Thanks for tuning in. Bye, guys. Alright, I got the backlight to work. It is white. Ta-da! And the keyboard works. It is wireless. So, yeah. So excited to use this.